Hello friends, we have completed the exercise 4.1. Now we will start the next topics. That is the angle between the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. I will teach the important theorem, that is the angle between them, that is the tan theta is equals to in mod of 2 in under root of h square minus ab upon a plus b, and all the odd examples and all examples from the exercise 4.2 in a very simple language. Now let us start the angle between the lines. Now let's study angle between the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. Okay, if we know slope of a line, then we can find the angles made by the line with the coordinate axis. In equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. If b is equals to 0, then one of the lines is y-axis. Using the slope of the other line, we can find the angle between them. In the following discussion, we assume that b is not equals to 0, so that slopes of both lines will be defined. If m1 and m2 are the slopes of these lines, and then the product of their slopes, that is m1 into m2, is equals to a upon b, that we have seen in auxiliary equation. We know that the lines having the slope m1 and m2 are perpendicular to each other if and only if the product of slope is minus 1. And hence the value of a upon b, m1 into m2 is a upon b. And therefore it can be written as a is equals to minus b. And therefore a plus b is equals to 0. And therefore in this equation, if the two lines, that is when the two lines are perpendicular to each other from the joint equation, the coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equals to 0. Okay. Thus the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square are perpendicular to each other if and only if a plus b is equals to 0. If the lines are not perpendicular to each other, then the acute angle between them can be obtained by using following theorem. Well, the acute angle, what is that theorem? This theorem is very important for the board examination. The acute angle theta between the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0 is given by, that is the tan theta is equals to mod of 2 in root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. Now we will prove this theorem. Let m1 and m2 be slopes of lines represented by the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. m1 plus m2, that is, we know that that is the auxiliary equation. What is that auxiliary equation? That is the bm square plus 2hm plus a is equals to 0. This was that auxiliary equation. And from this equation, we find out the sum of the roots. This is the quadratic in m. Therefore, m1 plus m2 is equals to minus 2h upon b. And m1 into m2 is equals to a upon b. And from the algebra, we know that in bracket m1 minus m2 bracket square is equals to that is the difference of their squares, can be represented sum of their squares into product. Okay, that is a m1 minus m2 bracket square is equals to m1 plus m2 bracket square minus 4 times m1 into m2, because we want to find out the value of m1 minus m2, and we know the value of m1 plus m2 and m1 into m2, and using these we can find out the value of m1 minus m2. Now substitute the value of m1 plus m2, which is minus 2h upon b, and substitute that. Here we get minus 2h upon b and minus 4 m1 into m2, it's a upon b. And if you simplify this, then what you will get? 4h square upon b square minus 4ab upon b square. Means what? Multiplied the numerator and the denominator for this expression by b. Then you will get here 4ab upon b square. Now here base is same, and therefore it is a 4h square minus 4ab upon b square. Take 4 as a common, and then in bracket you will get h square minus ab upon b square. Now take the square root on both sides. m1 minus m2 bracket square is equals to 4 in bracket h square minus ab upon b square. Therefore m1 minus m2 is equals to plus or minus 2 in root of h square minus ab upon b, as theta is the acute angle between the lines, and therefore tan theta is equals to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. And here if we substitute the value of m1 minus m2, which is the plus or minus 2 in root of h square minus ab upon b upon 1 plus a upon b, and if you simplify it, then you will get 2 in root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. This is the angle between the joint equation of the pair of two straight lines, that is the ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. Okay, if the lines are coincident, if and only if m1 is equals to m2, it means that m1 minus m2 is equals to 0. That is a 2 in root of h square minus ab upon b is equals to 0. If you simplify this, then you will get h square minus ab is equals to 0. That is a h square is equals to ab, and therefore the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0 are coincident if and only if h square is equals to ab. Now the solved example. Show that the lines represented by 3x square minus 4xy minus 3y square is equals to 0 are perpendicular to each other. Clearly that here comparing this equation with our standard equation, which is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. Comparing this, you will get the value of a is 3, h is a minus 2 and b is a minus 3. And here as a plus b is equals to 3 plus in bracket minus 3, and that is equals to 0. And therefore the lines represented by 3x square minus 4xy minus 3y square is equals to 0 are perpendicular to each other. Next question. Show that the lines represented by x square plus 4xy plus 4y square is equals to 0 are the coincident. Solution. Comparing with the given equation with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0, we get, if we compare it, then what is the value of a here? A is equals to 1, then h is equals to 2 and b is equals to 4. And therefore here h square minus ab, that is a 2 square minus the value of a is 1, b is 4, 2 square is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, and therefore h square minus ab is equals to 0, and that's why the lines represented by x square plus 4xy plus 4y square is equals to 0 are coincident. Next, find the acute angle between the lines represented by x square plus xy is equals to 0. Solution. Comparing this equation with x square plus xy is equals to 0 with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. As the coefficient of y square is absent here, a is equals to 1, h is equals to, h is equals to 1 upon 2 and b is 0. Let theta be the acute angle between them. then tan theta is equals to in mod of 2 in root of hs square minus ab upon a plus b. Therefore, that's equals to, substitute the value of h. H is 1 by 2 and a is 1, b is 0. That is the mod of 2 in root of 1 by 4 minus 0 upon a plus b. That is 1 plus 0 is 1, and if we simplify this, then you will get 2 in root of 1 by 4 is 1 upon 2, 2 get cancelled, and you will get tan theta is equals to 1. As tan theta is 1, therefore theta is equals to pi by 4. Next, x square minus 4xy plus y square is equals to 0. Now again comparing this with x square minus 4xy plus y square is equals to 0. Comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. Here a is equals to 1, h is equals to minus 2, b is equals to 1. Let theta be the acute angle between them. Tan theta is equals to in mod of 2 in root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. This is the formula. Substitute here a is equals to 1, h is equals to minus 2, and b is equals to 1. Therefore, here is a 2, h is 2, that is a 2 square, and the value of a and b are 1 and 1, 1 into 1 is 1. And therefore, 2 in root of 4 minus 1 is 3, and these 2 get cancelled, you will get root 3. And tan of theta is equals to root 3. It means that theta is equals to 60 degree, and that is a pi by 3. Okay. Next is a 3x square plus 2xy minus y square is equals to 0. Again, the comparing with this equation, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. Here a is equals to 3, h is equals to 1, and b is equals to minus 1. Let theta be the acute angle between them. Tan theta is equals to mod of 2 in root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. That is equals to mod of 2 in root of 1 plus a 3 upon 2. And if we simplify it, then you will get 1 plus 3 is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. 2 into 2, 4 upon 2, that is a 2. And therefore theta is equals to tan inverse of 2. Next example, 2x square minus 6xy plus y square is equals to 0. Now again the comparing with this ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. Here a is equals to 2, h is equals to minus 3, b is equals to 1. Let theta be the acute angle between them. Therefore tan theta is equals to 2 mod of 2 in root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. Substitute the value of h, a and b upon a plus b. That is a 2 in root of 9 minus 2. H square means what? 3 square. A and b both are 2 into 1, that is a 2. Therefore, if we simplify this, 9 minus 2, that is a 7. That is a 2 root of 7 upon 3. Therefore, tan theta is equals to 2 root of 7 upon 3. It means that theta is equals to tan inverse of 2 root 7 upon 3. Next is a xy plus y square is equals to 0. Comparing with xy plus y square with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. Here a is equals to 0, h is equals to 1 upon 2, b is equals to 1. Let theta be the acute angle between them. Tan theta is equals to mod of 2 in root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. That is equals to, okay, here is a 2 in root of 1 by 4 minus 0, and the square root of 1 by 4 is 1 upon 2. Here is a 1 upon 2 whole divided by 1, and overall you will get here 1. And that's why tan theta is equals to, here is a tan of theta is equals to 1. And that's why theta is equals to 45, that is equals to pi by 4. Find the combined equation of the lines passing through the origin and making angle pi by 6 with the 3x plus y minus 6 is equals to 0. Okay. Now let m be the slope of one of the lines which makes an angle of pi by 6. Okay. And with the slope is, its a slope is that is 3x plus y minus 6 is equals to 0. Now slope of this line, we can express this line in the form that is y is equals to mx plus c. It means that here is a minus 3x and plus 6. Okay, therefore the slope of the line. That is, we have given that these are the two lines, okay, and the angle between them, these are the lines, okay, and the angle between these two lines is a pi by 6. and we know the slope of the one of the line. This is the, if we suppose that this the slope of the line, one of the line is, that is equals to minus 3. We want to find out the slope of the other line. Suppose this is the M1 and we want to find out the M2, and we here apply the formula. We know the angle between them, and that's why tan of pi by 6 is equals to, that is equals to, what is the formula? The formula is a mod of M1 minus M2 upon 1 plus M1 into M2. We know the value of, suppose that the, now here I am taking that M1 as a M, suppose that it is a M1 as M and the M2 as a minus 3, and then you can substitute it. Okay, that is 1 by root of 3 is equals to M plus 3 upon 1 minus 3M. Now to evaluate this, squaring on both sides. If it's squaring on both sides, then what you will get here, that is a, here is a 1 by 3, and the square means what? M plus 3, here is a bracket square, upon 1 minus 3M bracket square, and then cross multiplication. Then you will get here 1 minus 3M bracket square is equals to 3 in bracket M plus 3 bracket square. Now 1 minus 3M bracket square, expand this, that is the first is a square term, 9M square minus 6M plus 1, and next the expansion of M plus 3 bracket square. Then you will get M square plus 6M plus 9. Again the product with the 3, that is a 3M square plus 18M plus 27. And if you simplify this, then you will get 6M square minus 24M minus 26, and that's equals to 0. And again the simplification, divide this whole equation by 2, then you will get 3M square minus 24M minus 13 is equals to 0. This is the auxiliary equation of the required combined equation. The required combined equation is, now here if we substitute M is equals to Y upon X, then it will become, that is a 3 in bracket Y upon X bracket square minus 12 in bracket Y upon X minus 13, and that's equals to 0. Now here we will simplify it, that is a 3 y square upon x square minus 12y upon x minus 13, and that's equals to 0. Okay, and if you multiply this whole equation by x square, then you will get here, if you multiply this equation by x square, then this x square will get cancelled. 12y upon x into x square, 1x will get cancelled, and here 1x is there, and the next is a minus, here is a minus 13x, and when we write this equation, we have written it is a, first term is a minus 13x square, middle term is a minus 12yx, and plus 3y square, that is, this is the equation, minus 13x square minus 12xy plus 3y square is equals to 0. And again it can be simplified from, that is a 13x square plus 12xy minus 3y square is equals to 0. We always write the first term as a positive. Find the combined equation of the lines passing through the origin and each of which making an angle of 60 degree with the x-axis. Means what? This is the picture of this line. If we draw the x-axis and the y-axis, see this here. Okay. This is the x-axis, x and y. Find the combined equation. Both of these lines passes through the origin and each making an angle of 60 degree with the x-axis. That is a 60 degree, and the next is a also it makes an angle of 60 degree here. This is the L1 and this is the L2. As required line makes an angle of 60 degree with the x-axis, tan 60 is equals to, that is the angle between these two lines. Okay, it is a 60 degree, and we want to find out the slope of this line n. Okay, Therefore, m minus 0, the slope of this x-axis is a 0. And therefore, the angle between these two lines, that is the L1 and this x-axis, tan 60 is equals to m minus 0. This is the slope of the x-axis upon 1 plus m into 0, and overall you will get tan 60 means of root 3 is equals to m. Squaring on both sides, m square is equals to 3, and that is a m square plus 0m minus 3 is equals to 0. This is the auxiliary equation, and again the substitute in this equation, that is a m square is a y upon x, that is here is a y upon x, it's a bracket square, minus 3 is equals to 0. Now simplify this. Here you will get y square upon x square minus 3 is equals to 0, and after simplification you will get y square minus 3 x square is equals to 0, and therefore 3x square minus y square is equals to 0. This is the joint equation. There is also alternate method, and that is also very simple. As the required lines makes an angle of 60 degree with the x-axis, their inclinations are, what are their inclinations? The first line inclination here the 60 degree, and the second line makes an inclination of, here is a 120. Okay, and therefore here their slopes are, what is the first? Tan 60. We find out the m1 is equals to tan of 60 degree, and what is the tan 60? Tan 60 here is a root 3. But what is the value of m2? Now see this here, the m2 is equals to its angle of inclination is a 120 degree. Okay, and this can be written as tan of, okay, here 90 plus 30 degree. Okay, and therefore it's a minus cot of, it goes in second quadrant, it's a cot of 30 degree, and here you will get minus root 3. This is the slope of the another line, and hence its equation is y is equals to minus root 3x, and therefore the equations of that two lines are y is equals to root 3x and minus y is equals to root 3x. And it can be written as root 3x minus y is equals to 0, root 3x plus y is equals to 0, and now their joint equation, that is a root 3x minus 5 into root 3x plus y is equals to 0, and hence the joint equation is a 3x square minus y square is equals to 0. Now we'll start the exercise 4.2. Show that the lines represented by 3x square minus 4xy minus 3y square are perpendicular to each other. It's clear that the coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equals to 0. Now comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. A is 3, the value of 2h is a minus 4 and the b is minus 3. Therefore a plus b is equals to 3 plus in bracket minus 3, that's equals to 0. The lines represented by 3x square minus 4xy minus 3y square is equals to 0 are perpendicular to each other. Next question, show that the lines represented by x square plus 6xy plus 9y square is equals to 0 are coincident. Now comparing it with the x square plus 6xy plus 9y square with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. Now what is the value of a? A is 1 here. 2h is 6, b is equals to 9, and the formula, when the lines are coincident, we know that h square minus ab is equals to 0, and in a similar manner here the value of h is 3 square minus 1 into 9, and 3 square is 9, 9 minus 9, that's equals to 0. Therefore the lines represented by x square plus 6xy plus 9y square is equals to 0 are coincident. Next problem, find the value of k if the lines represented by kx square plus 4xy minus 4y square is equals to 0 are perpendicular to each other. As the lines are perpendicular to each other, that is a sum, that is the coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square, that is equals to 0. Using that condition you can find out it easily. Comparing again with ax square plus 4xy minus 4y square is equals to 0 with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. We get a is equals to k, 2h is equals to 4 and b is equals to minus 4. Since the lines are perpendicular to ax square plus 4xy minus 4y square are perpendicular to each other, and that's why a plus b is equals to 0. It means that the value of a is a k, b is a minus 4, k minus 4 is equals to 0. Therefore, k is equals to 4. Now the next problem. Find the measure of the acute angle between the lines represented by 3x square minus 4 root 3xy plus 3y square is equals to 0. Now comparing it with, that is a 3x square minus 4 root 3xy plus 3y square is equals to 0 with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. And here a is equals to 3 and 2h is equals to minus 4 root 3, h is equals to the value of h. The value of h is equals to minus 2 root 3 and b is equals to 3. Okay, let theta be the acute angle between the lines. Therefore, tan theta is equals to mod of 2 in root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. Substitute the value of h, minus 2 root 3 bracket square minus 3 into 3. Minus 2 root 3 bracket square means what? 4 into 3. The square of 2 is a 4 and root 3 square is a 3. 4 into 3, that is a 12. 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 is a 3. That is a 2 root 3 upon 6. And if you simplify it, then you will get what is here? Here you will get root 3 upon 3. And if you simplify it, then you will get 1 upon root 3. Therefore, tan theta is equals to 1 by root 3 and hence theta is equals to tan 30. Okay, sorry, tan theta is equals to tan of 30 and hence theta is equals to 30 degree. Next question, 4x square plus 5xy plus 4y square is equals to 0. Comparing the equation 4x square plus 5xy plus y square is equals to 0 with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. We get a is equals to 4. Next, 2h is equals to 5 and b is equals to, I will again repeat here, the value of a is 4, 2h is 5 and the b is equals to 1. As 2h is 5, h is equals to 5 by 2. Let theta be the acute angle between them. Therefore, here is a tan theta is equals to, we write here, this is the tan theta is equals to 2 mod of 2 in root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. Therefore, tan theta is equals to 2 in root of 5 by 2 bracket square minus 4 into 1. The value of a is 4 and b is 1. And if we simplify this, then you will get 2. 5 by 2 square means what? 25 by 4 minus 4. Again, here is a simplification. Mod of 25 minus 16 upon 4, that is 4 into 4, 16 upon 4. And if we find out, that is a 25 minus 16, it is a in root of, that is a 9 by 4 and this whole divided by 5. Okay, the square root of 9 by 4 is a 3 by 2. These two get cancelled and you will get 3 by 5. Tan theta is equals to 3 by 5 and hence theta is equals to tan inverse of 3 by 5. Next question, 2x square plus 7xy plus 3y square is equals to 0. Comparing the equation 2x square plus 7xy plus 3y square is equals to 0 with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. We get a is equals to 2 and 2h is equals to 7. Therefore, h is equals to 7 by 2 and b is equals to 3. Let theta be the acute angle between the lines. Therefore, tan theta is equals to in mod of 2 in root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. That is a mod of 2 in root of 7 by 2 bracket square minus 2 into 3. The value of a is 2 and b is 3. That is a 2 into 3. And then you will get mod of 2 in root of 49 upon 4 minus 6. Again, if we simplify this, that is, okay, here the 2, here is a 49. 4 into 6, that is a 24. 25 minus 24, you will get 25 by 4, and this whole divided by 5. Okay, the square root of 25 by 4 is 5 by 2 into 2. These 2 get cancelled. 5 upon 5, that is 1, and tan theta is equals to 1. It means that is the tan theta is equals to tan of 45, and hence theta is equals to 45. Next, a square, again I will repeat here, that is in bracket a square minus 3b square x square plus 8abxy plus in bracket b square minus 3a square into y square is equals to 0. Comparing the equation, in bracket a square minus 3b square bracket complete into x square plus 8abxy plus b square minus 3a square bracket complete into y square is equals to 0, with capital A x square plus 2 capital H xy plus by square is equals to 0. Here capital A is equals to a square minus 3b square, 8abxy, the value of 8abxy is equals to capital H is equals to 4ab, and here capital B is equals to b square minus 3a square, and hence h square minus ab is equals to, the value of h is 4ab, its square is a 16a square, a square into b square minus ab, in bracket a square minus 3b square bracket complete b square minus 3a square, and here their product. If we take the minus sign common from these two, then you will get 3a square minus b square. Now the product of these two terms, that is a square into 3a square, that is a 3a raised to 4. A square into minus b square, okay, you will get minus a square, here is a square and b square, and the next is a minus 3b square into 3a square, then you will get minus 9a square and the b square, and overall you will get minus 10a square b square plus 3b raised to 4, and if you simplify this again, you will get that is a 3a raised to 4. Next is a plus 16a square b square minus 10a square b square. You will get here 6a square b square plus 3b raised to 4, and here if you take the 3 as a common, and then in bracket you will get that is a square plus b square, it's a perfect square, a square plus b square bracket square, and if you take its a square root, then you will get it root of h square minus ab is equals to root 3 in bracket a square plus b square. And again next, what is the value of a plus b? A is a square minus 3b square, and the b is b square minus 3a square. If we add it, then what will happen here? That is a square and minus 3a square. You will get minus 2a square minus 3b square plus b square, you will get minus 2a square, and take minus 2 as a common, and that's why the a plus b is equals to minus 2 in bracket a square plus b square. Okay, therefore as the theta is the acute angle between the lines, therefore tan theta is equals to 2 in root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. Substitute the value of, that is in root of h square minus ab, which is root 3 a square b square. Okay, here that is a 2 root 3 a square b square upon a plus b minus 2. The value of a plus b is a minus 2 in bracket a square plus b square. This get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, and you will get that is a tan theta is equals to, here is a tan of theta is equals to root 3, and this is nothing but that is a tan of 60 degree, and that's why theta is equals to 60. Next question, find the combined equation of the lines passing through the origin, each of which making an angle of 30 degree with the line 3x plus 2y minus 11. Suppose here is a coordinate geometry, okay, x-axis and the y-axis. This is the x-axis and the y-axis. What's actually happening here? Suppose this is my line. It's a given line, which is the 3x plus 2y minus 11. Now, there are the another two lines which passes through the origin. Okay, it passes through the origin and that makes an angle of 30 degree. Suppose that here is a line. I will draw with the another sketch. Suppose here is a line. It passes through the origin and makes an angle of 30 degree. And there is another line which passes through this origin and making an angle of, here is a 30 degree with this line. Okay, then we want to find out the joint equation of these two another lines, which is the small l1 and the small l2. Okay, we have solved this type of example in the solved example. The slope of the line which is given, okay, this is the line L. 3x plus 2y minus 11 is m1. Now, how to find out the slope of this line? Always express these lines in terms of y is equals to mx plus c. Y is equals to mx plus c. Therefore, what you will get? That is a 2y is equals to minus 3x. 2y is equals to minus 3x and plus 11. And that's why y is equals to minus 3 by 2 x plus 11 upon 2. Therefore, what is the slope of that line? The slope of the line is a minus 3 by 2. M be the slope of one of the lines. Means what? या दोन lines पैकी L1 ही एक अशी line है. It makes an angle of 30 degree with our line, with our given line. And that's why he consider that the M be the slope of one of the lines making an angle of 30 degree. त्यापैकी एक जी लाइन आपण इथे L1 कन्सिडर करणार आहे त्या कॅपिटल L ची 30 चा अँगल करते. And here with the 3x plus 2y minus 11, the angle between the lines having the slope m and m1 is 30 degree. Okay. Therefore, tan 30 is equals to, we are considering only these two lines. We want to find out the joint equation of the line L1 and L2, but we are considering these two lines. And the angle between them is a 30. M, that is a tan theta is equals to in mod of m minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. Okay. We know the slope of the line, given line. What is its slope? It's a minus 3 by 2. Therefore, substitute here m1 by minus 3 by 2. 1 plus m into again minus 3 by 2, where tan of 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay, we have substituted here. And then simplify this. What is here? That is, here you will get, if I simplify here, m plus, here is a 3 by 2 upon 1 minus 3m upon 2. Okay. Here, if we simplify this, then here you will get, that is a, it's a lettering, or you may see this here. I will again write here. Okay. This is the m, and that minus and minus will become plus, which is the 3 by 2, and this divided by 1 minus, it is a 3m upon 2. Okay, and if you simplify it, then you will get 2m plus 3 upon 2 minus 3m. Now squaring on both sides, 1 by root 3 square is 1 by 3. 2m plus 3 bracket square upon 2 minus 3m bracket square. And after their simplification, that is 2 minus 3m bracket square is equals to 3 in bracket 2m plus 3 bracket square. Now expand this. 4 minus 12m plus 9m square, and again 2m plus 3 bracket square means 4m square plus 12m plus 9. Okay, multiply it with 3, then you will get 4 minus 12m plus 9m square. Then you will get here 12m square plus 36m plus 27. Again, if you simplify here, that is a 9m square minus 12m square, you will get 3m square. 48m plus 12m, it's 36m plus 12m, that will become 48m. 27 minus 4, it will become 23. Now substitute the value of m, that is y upon x. Y upon x is the slope of the line. Okay, the value of m is y upon x. And if we substitute here, that is a 3m square means what? 3 y upon x bracket square. Next is a 48 into y upon x plus 23 is equals to 0. And if we simplify this, that is a 3y square upon x square plus 48y upon x plus 23 is equals to 0. Multiply this whole equation by x square. Then you will get 3y square plus 48xy plus 23x square, that's equals to 0. And hence 23x square plus 43xy plus 3y square is equals to 0. This is the required joint equation of the lines. Now next problem. If the angle between the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0 is equal to the angle between the lines represented by 2x square minus 5xy plus 3y square is equals to 0. Then prove that 100 in bracket h square minus ab is equals to a plus b bracket square. The acute angle theta between the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0 is given by, what is that? Tan theta is equals to mod of 2 in root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. This is equation number 1. Comparing with this equation, that is a 2x square minus 5xy plus 3y square is equals to 0. Here the value of a is a 2, 2h is minus 5, b is 3. Let alpha be the angle between, acute angle between that two lines of the 2x square minus 5xy plus 3y square is equals to 0. Therefore, tan of alpha is equals to 2 in root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. Substitute the value of h, which is minus 5 by 2. Here is a, I will write here minus 5 by 2. Then AB, the value of A is 2 and B is 3. That is a 2 into 3 upon 2 plus 3. And if we simplify, that is a 2 in root of 25 by 4 minus 6. And if we simplify it, then you will get, what is a 4 into 6 is 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. That is the root of 1 by 4 is a 1 upon 2. That is a 2 into 1 upon 2. This get cancelled. And here you will get tan alpha is 1 by 5. Now, if theta is equals to alpha, it's a given that the angle between them is equals. And therefore, 2 in root of h square minus ab upon a plus b is equals to 1 by 5. Now, this simplify this. That is a squaring on both sides. If it's squaring on both sides, then 1 by 5 square is a 1 by 25. 2 square is a 4. Root of h square minus ab is a h square minus ab upon a plus b bracket square. And cross multiplication, if we make the cross multiplication, 25 into 4, that is 100 in bracket h square minus ab is equals to a plus b bracket square. And hence, this question, it's very interesting question. That is if the angles between the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to the angles between, and then show that. Okay, can make the practice. Now next question. Find the combined equation of the lines passing through the origin and each of which making angle 60 degree with the y-axis. Okay, now here is the first line OA, it makes an angle of 60 degree with this y-axis. Okay, next is another line OB makes an angle of 60 degree, here is a 60 degree with the y-axis. Now, as the line OA makes an angle of 60 degree with the y-axis, but it makes an angle of 30 degree with the x-axis. OA makes an angle of 30 degree with the x-axis, and OB makes an angle of, that is a 150 degree with the x-axis. How it is? Okay, this angle is 60 degree. This total measure is a 90 degree. 90 plus 60 is 150. Total here 90 degree. 90 minus 60 is a 30 degree. Okay, therefore the OA and the OB makes an angle of 30 degree and 150 in the positive direction of the x-axis. Let OA and the OB be the lines through the origin, make an angle of 60 degree with the y-axis. No problem. Okay, let OA and the OB makes an angle of 30 degree and the 150 with the positive direction of the x-axis. Therefore, the slope of OA, that is the tan of 30, 1 by root 3, and the equation of the OA as line passes through the origin, its equation is in this form. That is a y is equals to mx. Next is a slope of OB, and therefore it can be written as tan of 180 minus 30. It goes in second quadrant and therefore minus tan 30. Okay, therefore tan 30 is again 1 by root 3. Therefore the slope of OB is minus 1 by root 3. Equation of OB, again that is y is equals to, its form is mx. Substitute the value of m, minus 1 by root 3, and if you simplify it, then you will get x plus root 3y is equals to 0. Therefore the required combined equation is x minus root 3y. What is the first line? X minus root 3y, and the second is x plus root 3y, that's equals to 0, and hence their joint equation is x square minus 3y square is equals to 0. Okay, the question was very simple. That is the lines are making the 60 degree with the y-axis, and we find out the angle made by that lines with the x-axis, and the first line OMX and 30 degree and second is 150, and using this concept we have cleared this example. And in this way, again I will repeat, and in this way we have completed the exercise 4.2. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.